Welcome! Today, we'll explore the importance of building an online community in your classroom using the Community of InCree model. Imagine an online classroom where students are engaged, feel connected, and support each other. Building a strong online community leads to numerous benefits: enhanced engagement, improved retention rates, better academic performance, and a positive perception of online learning. The Community of InCree model offers a framework to create this vibrant and supportive online community. It consists of three key elements: social presence, cognitive presence, and teaching presence. First, social presence. This is the ability of participants to present themselves as real people, engage in meaningful communication, and develop relationships. To enhance social presence, encourage personal introductions, use icebreakers, and create spaces for informal interactions. Next, cognitive presence. This involves the extent to which learners can construct and confirm meaning through sustained reflection and discourse. Promote cognitive presence by designing activities that foster critical thinking, using problem-based learning, and encouraging reflective discussions. Finally, teaching presence. This is the design, facilitation, and direction of cognitive and social processes to achieve meaningful learning outcomes. Enhance teaching presence by providing clear guidelines, actively facilitating discussions, and offering timely and constructive feedback. When these three elements come together, they create a strong online community where students feel connected, supported, and engaged. Join our upcoming session to dive deeper into these strategies and learn more about building a thriving online community.